Well, it's here, folks. It's finally here. It's February 2025. We can put on our party hat and we can blow a horn because the Multi-Board 8.0 contract is finally here. That means that there's a new real estate contract, Chicagoland area, for most of Illinois, to be honest with you, for realtors to fill out when a home is sold. So, the real estate contract, the Multi-Board 8.0, has a lot of changes, a lot of updates that I'll be going through videos over the next couple weeks, the next couple months. But for this intro video, I'd like to point out two key parts that have been updated. Now, the first part that's been updated makes a lot of sense. Last year in 2024, with the new realtor compensation changes, we needed to add the buyer broker compensation some way or another to the contract, and the Multi-Board did that, paragraph 4 right here at the bottom of page 1. So the seller has the option now, paragraph 4A, the seller can either provide a compensation to the buyer's broker with either a percentage or a flat fee, or paragraph 4B, they can waive any sort of compensation to the buyer's broker. But now it's here in the contract. If the seller provides compensation to the buyer's broker, it's here right away. You see it top page 1. So there we go with that one. Now, what's the other change I'd like to go through? Not page 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it is, page 5 rather, paragraph 14. As is paragraph has been moved. It's now paragraph 14. And then right beneath it, you have the home inspection paragraph. So the big change, paragraph 15 is now the home inspection paragraph. And there are 3 sub-options. And one paragraph must be initialed, agreed upon between both parties. So the big change is that paragraph 15A waives the home inspection. And if no paragraphs here are initialed, paragraph 15A is the default. So you definitely want to make sure that you have initialed one of these paragraphs. So 15A waives the home inspection contingency. 15B is the traditional home inspection contingency where if there are any health or safety issues, the buyer can make those requests, repair requests to the seller. And then paragraph 15C, which is on the next page, just states that home inspection is allowed, but the buyer understands that there are no requests granted after the home inspection. So basically, 15C, it's the buyer's understanding that they can have the home inspection so they know what they're getting themselves into, but they agree that they're not going to make any requests after that home inspection. So, if you initial paragraph 14, as is, condition, and you leave paragraph 15 blank, you agree to buy the house as is with no home inspection. If you agree to paragraph 14 as is, and you initial paragraph 15C, that means the house is sold as is, the buyer is allowed to have a home inspection, but it's basically for their own understanding of the condition of the house before they move forward. Paragraph 15B is the traditional home inspection contingency, and 15A, of course, waives that home inspection. So, just one more paragraph, we've got to keep on our toes, but hopefully it helps clarify, because we've all been there. How many times do you agree to an as-is condition, and then afterwards the buyer is down about the condition of the house, and then they say, well, let's see if we can get $5,000, $10,000 credit, see if the seller's at least willing to negotiate. Here, if it's a paragraph 15C, it says that the buyer is not allowed to make any requests after that home inspection. Sounds nice. We'll see how it all works out in practice. So, those are two main new parts of the contract that I'm really excited about. I'm really excited to see how this contract plays out in the real world, see how people utilize it. I'm sure there'll be changes made. I'm sure there'll be interpretations of these paragraphs. And we will go through them bit by bit over time. The new 8.0 contract is here, and it's exciting, and we'll look into it. Hey, have you used the 8.0 contract yet? What are your thoughts about it? Leave it in the comments below. Do you have any questions that you'd like me to answer? I'm always happy to. Just let me know in the comments. Feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll be back next time with more interpretations of the 8.0 contract. I'm Ben Weaver, Illinois Realtor, help people buy and sell houses, estate planning, wills, trusts, you name it. And I'll see you in the next video.